Looking to buy the best beard trimmers on the market this year? Today, we'll be taking a look at the top 5 beard trimmers you should buy. And the links to all the beard trimmers mentioned in this video will be in the description below. If this is your first time here, smash the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more videos like this. Now, let's get straight to the video. Number 5. TRYM II Rechargeable Modern Hair Clipper Kit. Okay, the sleek and modern look of TRYM II is unbeatable. If you're shopping based on looks alone, then you need not look any further. This is the one. However, looks aside, its performance isn't too bad either. This product is another wireless model that lasts for about an hour of use after an 8-hour charge. Definitely one of the longest charging time of any of the beard trimmers we have reviewed. The professional grade metal blades trim excellently, and the model comes with 4 trimming attachments, a cleaning brush, and oil. With only 4 trimming lengths available, however, this is a huge drawback for many men. The unit comes with a 1-year warranty, and it's waterproof to allow for easy use and cleaning. To make it even easier to clean, however, it comes equipped with a handy cleaning brush to wipe away those stubborn stray hairs clinging to the blades. Although it's an average weight for a beard trimmer at only 1 pound, the sleek design doesn't give it as good of a grip, and its design doesn't fit well in your hand as other models we have reviewed. This is clearly a result of the modern design, but it can make the trimming and grooming process inconvenient when it's difficult to hold at tricky angles. This is an extremely popular beard trimmer on Amazon and in an affordable price range too, so we figured we'd give it a go, and as it turns out, looks aren't everything. However, there are plenty of good things to be said. If the good outweighs the bad for you, then try it out today. Number 4. Remington PG6025 All-in-One. The surgical steel blades are designed for long-lasting durability, and it comes with 8 attachments to complement its performance and conform to any grooming need you may have. The attachment it includes are as follows: full-size trimmer, nose, ear and detail trimmer, foil shaver, 3 beard and stubble combs, and hair clipper with 8 length settings. While the 8 length settings aren't quite as many as some of the other beard trimmers we have reviewed, it is enough for many users who aren't looking for anything too fancy in their beard styling endeavors. This cordless unit can run for 50 minutes after a 4-hour charging time. This unit is also waterproof, allowing for easy cleaning. The textured grip and only 1 pound weight make it easy to hold firmly in your hand at any angle you need to achieve the perfect trim and look. With a 2-year limited warranty, the device is protected from most accidents out of your control. There are a lot of good things to say about this model, although it does come with a few drawbacks. It also comes at a more than fair price. For those in search of a simple, bare-bones model that works well and gets the job done, this might just be the ideal beard trimmer for you. Number 3. Panasonic ER-GB40S19 Precision. If you are in search of perfection and accuracy, then the Panasonic ER-GB40S19 Precision just might be exactly what the doctor ordered. With 19 individual hair length settings to navigate between, you're able to achieve precisely the cut you wanted. Panasonic's stainless steel hypoallergenic blades are angled at 45 degrees, which is supposedly the best angle to tackle longer, stubborn hairs that just don't want to part with your face. This trimmer's best strength is likely trimming hair down to stubble and isn't the best option on the market at whisking away longer whiskers. While this unit is certainly worthwhile to consider, there are a couple of drawbacks that really hold back a lot of users. The battery can take over a half a day to get a complete charge, and the unit will only be powered for 50 minutes on a full charge before you need to return it to the charger. This wireless model is very demanding when it comes to how often it needs to be oiled, but this is almost compensated for by the incredible drainage system that prevents the buildup of water from using the unit in the shower with a shaving foam. A simple rinse under the faucet cleans it as good as new. The rubber grip makes it easy to hold in your hand, a particular advantage if you are intending to use this 1-pound model in the shower. With a 2-year limited warranty, you can trust that this model will last you a while. It comes with 3 combs as attachments to give you plenty of versatility. Not bad for this modestly priced model. This is a high-quality beard trimmer that performs well and gets the job done adequately. However, it does have a few drawbacks to consider, so if you're holding out for perfection, then the search continues. Number 2. Wahl Lithium-Ion All-in-One Grooming Kit. Wahl Lithium-Ion is certainly a noteworthy addition to any man's arsenal of beard grooming tools. It provides the ultimate power in trimming your beard to exactly the style you covet. It's one of the most powerful trimmers we've come across, as it sports a motor providing double the average torque. Even if you have a patchy beard that doesn't call for such a high-powered trimmer, this will allow you to zip through your trim easily without having to go over the same area multiple times. This model comes with a wide array of attachments for users to switch between during their grooming routine to accomplish precisely the look they're looking for. Trimmer attachments include trimmer blade, dual shaver, precision detailer, stubble guide, medium guide, full guide, 6-position guide, beard comb, blade brush, and oil. This 1-pound unit comes complete with a handy storage case to keep all these accessories neatly organized in one place. The model takes 60 minutes to achieve a full charge that will last you a staggering 2 hours, which is one of the best of almost any trimmer on the market. The carbon stainless steel blades help to groom your beard precisely how you like it. The unit is not waterproof, which makes it difficult to clean as it cannot be washed under the faucet. The plastic pieces are also not very sturdy, so tapping it on a hard surface to dislodge some of the hair may result in the attachment breaking. Fortunately, this unit comes with a 5-year limited warranty that covers such breakage in that period. Still, you may prefer to continue your search for a unit that won't break in the first place. This model's 3 by 5.5 by 10-inch dimensions feel good in your hand and it accomplishes a good trim, so long as you are satisfied with the 6 length settings it comes with. While other models come with far more length settings, the 6 on Wahl's model are enough for many. At half the cost of other options on the market, this model is certainly a good choice for those shopping on a budget. Overall, this is a trimmer that is a great asset to a man's collection of grooming tools, but it does have some drawbacks that put it out of the running for men that need more length from their beards. Consider both the advantages and the drawbacks, and if in your case the benefits are greater, then give this unit a try. Number 1. Philips Norelco Multi-Groom 3000. Philips Norelco Multi-Groom 3000 is an all-in-one trimmer with everything you need and nothing you don't. This statement is entirely justified, providing that it comes with 13 pieces, which are meant not only for beard and stubble trimming, they are also useful for getting rid of unwanted hair from your head, nose, and ears. These 13 pieces include a full-size steel trimmer, steel precision trimmer or detailer, nose and ear hair trimmer, 3 hair trimming guards, 3 beard trimming guards, stubble trimming guard, cleaning brush, and an accessory storage bag. The first piece worth mentioning is a steel trimmer. Its precise steel blades are something you will love because they help you create clean and straight lines. If you have a thicker beard than most men, and you are worried whether or not this trimmer will work well on it, you can stop worrying. Steel trimmer is made with this in mind, and it allows an even trim through the thickest hair without irritation. For small details, you will find steel precision trimmer to be particularly helpful. Its design allows exact placement for sharp lines. Nose and ear trimmer makes the unwanted hairs go away easily and quickly without you having to worry about nicks and cuts that often occur with other cheap trimmers. Every man wants his trimmer to last a long time, and people from Norelco know that. That's why they've made 3 reinforced, impact-resistant cutting guards that double the trimmer's life. Last but not least, beard and stubble trimming and maintenance have never been easier. It doesn't matter if you have a long beard or you prefer having some of the shorter beard styles. You can rest assured that beard guards on this trimmer will never bend and buckle. Stubbles are quite popular these days, and if you are one of the guys who likes sporting this beard style, stubble guard will be your favorite piece in the Philips trimmer. Something you won't find almost anywhere else is the tempered steel blades that sharpen themselves as you trim your facial hair. They also don't rust and will remain sharp as new even after 2 years of use. The water can't damage the attachment of this beard trimmer because all the blades and guards are water resistant and rinsable. The process of cleaning is straightforward, and the only thing you need to do is detach blades and guards from the handle and then rinse them under water. Forget about blade oils that most other trimmers require for maintaining their high quality performance. Also, the battery delivers up to 60 minutes of use per charge. If all this still hasn't convinced you to choose this product, maybe the fact that it comes with a 45-day risk-free trial and a full 2-year warranty will. We definitely think this is one of the best ones on the market to purchase. Thanks for watching. Till next time.